Hey Drop Tech fans, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out the brand new OnePlus 13T, a compact flagship that's full of surprising features and powerful hardware. It's not just about strong performance. This phone brings in some neat tricks like smoother animations with ColorOS 15 and an AI shortcut button that makes multitasking easier than ever. Let's start with its design. The OnePlus 13T comes in two color options, pink and gray, both featuring a new coral velvet glass finish. It's soft to the touch and offers a subtle grip, which means even if you're using it without a case, it doesn't feel slippery. Unlike the usual frosted glass backs, this one has a more premium, comfortable texture that gives you confidence while holding it. Even people with sweaty hands can use it comfortably during summer. The sides are made of metal, and the matte camera module finish gives it a refined look. It's not a flashy phone, but it has a clean and minimal feel. Fingerprints don't stick easily except around the screen and camera area. That makes it look fresh even without wiping it all the time. Now talking about size and feel. The OnePlus 13T weighs 185 grams and is 8.16 millimeters thick. It's not the lightest or thinnest phone, but it's got a huge 6060 mAh battery packed inside, which we'll talk about more in a moment. It has a 6.32-inch flat screen and a 71.7mm body width, making it ideal for one-handed use. For comparison, the iPhone 16 Pro also has a 6.3-inch screen but a 71.5mm width, so they're very similar in hand. Big phones around 77mm wide usually feel unstable in one hand, but this one feels solid, thanks to its balanced weight distribution. The camera bump on the back is minimal. Just 2.15mm and covering only 7.5% of the rear panel, so whether you hold it with your right or left hand or play games horizontally, it doesn't dig into your fingers. That little detail really adds to the comfort. The front of the phone features a 6.32-inch display that performs really well even under sunlight. It reaches over 800 nits of brightness and includes solar display tech for visibility outdoors. For eye comfort, you've got full brightness DC dimming and eye protection 2.0, which helps during long screen time. So, why did OnePlus make it slightly heavier and thicker? Because of that massive 6060 mAh battery. One big issue with compact flagships is battery anxiety, but OnePlus tackled it. In a heavy usage test that lasted 5 hours, the 13T still had 46% battery left, an impressive result. Charging speeds are also great. It supports 80W wired charging, reaching 56% in just 25 minutes and fully charging in about 62 minutes. After solving the battery problem, the next test is performance. The OnePlus 13T comes with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite chip and a large 4,400 square millimeters Glacier VC cooling system with high thermal conductivity graphite material. There's also OnePlus's own gaming engine, Fenchi, built in to boost gaming experience. We tested the phone with Genshin Impact at 200 nits screen brightness in a 25 degrees Celsius room. The phone averaged 60.3 FPS with just 4W of power usage, full frame and power efficient. Then we tried Honkai Star Rail, and even under the heaviest load, it stayed around 58.5 FPS with 5.6W usage. Some minor dips happened but overall smooth performance. In PUBG Mobile, it ran at a crazy 89.9 FPS while using just 3.3W. That's peak level gaming on a small phone. OnePlus has also made the small things better in gaming. There's a silent start feature that mutes all games when they open, so you don't accidentally blast sound in quiet places. Want the sound? Just tap the volume key. And there's a new game camera feature that can loop record the last 30 seconds or snap a 3-second live photo. Great for capturing epic moments in-game. Let's wrap up with the camera and software. The OnePlus 13T comes with a 50-megapixel Sony IMX906 main sensor with OIS and a 49mm equivalent telephoto lens that supports 4x lossless zoom. It also includes improved algorithms for portrait photography, including a cinematic portrait mode 4.0, which gives shots a stylish or soft light look. It runs on ColorOS 15, which brings smoother animations, a flexible task manager, and resizable desktop folders. The whole UI feels cleaner and more responsive. One of the most exciting features is the AI shortcut button. It can summarize on-screen content, activate Do Not Disturb, flashlight, or silent mode. Way more useful than the classic alert slider. The OnePlus 13T starts at just 3,399 yen in China, around £350 in the UK or $466 in the US, which makes it a great value considering all the premium features. That's everything you need to know about the OnePlus 13T, from its elegant design and smooth software to its top-level performance and camera. Let us know what you think in the comments. Are you planning to grab one? If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Also, make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.